Good morning, happy 2020. I hope that you had a great holiday season. I cannot believe it is over, but I'm ready for 2020 and all the great things that are going to be happening this year. Today on my channel, I'm going to be making a really good breakfast. I'm going to be making a tofu scramble plate, I guess you would say, because I'm having some avocado toast with it and some berries. So just wanted to show you a really great and healthy plant-based recipe for the new year. I got a new phone for Christmas. My husband got me the iPhone 11. I upgraded from the 6 Plus to the 11, so this is a huge jump. The video and photo capabilities are amazing. And so the iPhone 11 is a great vlogging camera. So this is the current state of our dining room. And one thing that you may not know about me is that I am super OCD about cleaning and organizing. So this right here is driving me absolutely bonkers. But Matt and I have started this new project called acrylic pour painting, where we basically stack different colored acrylic paints on top of the other in a cup and pour it out on a canvas, and it creates the most beautiful abstract work. This is all over YouTube, so just search acrylic pour painting and you will see, you'll see a lot of videos on it. You may find out that you're interested in it. But anyways, Matt and I have started doing it over the last couple of weeks, and it's so much fun. At first we were really bad, but the last couple of times that we've practiced, it's really finally going like we want it to. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a couple of the ones that we did last night. But yeah, definitely check it out if you're looking for a new art form or a new, project to do in 2020. We love painting. It's so much fun and a great way to express your creativity. So Matt made this one last night. We usually do it on canvases and stuff, but we had some tiles left over from another project we did. So we did a little bit on this tile, and I love this one that Matt did last night. It is so pretty. You can see like all the little bubbles. It's really, really cool. Like, look at that. That looks like something like underwater. And this is the one that I did. You never really know what you're gonna get. That's the fun part of this, is that you just take a lot of these acrylic paints and you pour them in a cup. You stack them one on top of the other in kind of whatever pattern you want to do, and you just pour it out on the canvas, and you sort of have control over the way it looks, but in a way you don't, because you don't know how the colors are going to mix together, and the way that you pour it also makes a big difference. So it's just something new we're trying. All the people on YouTube, their paintings look incredible. I still feel like we are not there yet. We still don't know really what we're doing, so we're just practicing. But it's so fun. So definitely check that out on YouTube. And I'm about to make the tofu scramble, so stick around and enjoy the video. In a large skillet over medium heat, add a little bit of olive oil, then toss in about 1/4 cup of some chopped bell peppers. Then add another 1/4 cup of some diced onions. Stir it around and let it cook for a few minutes to soften up. Next, I'm adding about 1/2 of a container of extra firm tofu. Most people use silken tofu for their tofu scramble, but I did not have any on hand. I just had extra firm, and it actually came out really, really good. So if you only have extra firm, that will work. As you're breaking it apart and stirring it, keep some of the chunks on the bigger side. Next, toss in your spices. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, salt, and pepper. Turmeric is a very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and it's what gives tofu scramble its orange color. And I forgot to add my garlic powder earlier, so I'm adding it here, just about 1/4 teaspoon. After the tofu has been cooking for a few minutes, you can add about 1/3 cup of some chopped baby tomatoes and about 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is super healthy. It's full of so many vitamins and minerals, and it's what gives a lot of vegan food its cheesy flavor. Stir that all together for another minute and we are ready to go. I love pumpernickel bread for avocado toast, so give it a try if you haven't had it. It's amazing. And I'm just adding about a quarter of an avocado to this toast and mashing it down with a fork. The media has everyone thinking that soy is really bad for you when in fact it is not. It is full of protein, potassium, lots of calcium, iron, magnesium, and folate. And for 3 ounces, it's about 80 calories. So it's very lean and really good for you. And last but not least, my favorite seasoning of all, the Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Seasoning. It is probably one of the most popular products at Trader Joe's, so if you ever go there, definitely pick this up. It's amazing. And I love topping my tofu scramble off with sriracha. I am a sriracha girl. It is amazing with that on top. And there you have it, a healthy, high-protein powerhouse plant-based recipe for the new year. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.